All right, hello everybody. This is Vaughn the Builder. I hope you guys having a fantastic weekend. What I'm gonna do right now is work EU. I'm gonna mark it up, look for a trade idea, take a trade. I use the Fibonacci tool. Let's get it going. All right, so right now EU is in a downtrend, so I'm gonna utilize the Fibonacci tool real quick, and also I'm gonna split the my zone here. I see something coming up here, so I'm gonna put the fib on my next landing, drag it down to the lowest point there and look to see where I want to get in at. I'm gonna go to a higher time frame to confirm. I kind of like it if it comes back up to 500 area. So I'm just gonna put a zone right here, right there where I like it at. Put an arrow there so I know exactly where I want to get in at. I'm gonna go to my broker, make sure I have it set up on EU and what I want to trade. All right, so go back to the trading view to watch this real quick. I'm gonna set an alarm as well, just so I don't miss the trade. So I wanted to come to the 500 area. Um, let's go back to the higher time frame and kind of look and see. Matter of fact, let me put it here so I don't forget where I wanted that. So I wanted that 501 or higher. And I would also take a call down at 427 or below. So I normally make myself notes on my charts so I pretty much know what I want to do. All right, so basically going over the analysis, you can see that it's in a definite downtrend right now. I like trading with the trend. I use what's called SRT, support, resistance, and trend line. So basically, I have my support, my resistance, and my trend. So I can just draw a quick trend line to kind of show you that. Make at least 3 points of contact. And I'm gonna just make some, I can leave it like that, or I can bring it here. So I just wanted to put it kind of on my landing, and I can put one at the bottom of that. Just kind of showing my channel. So something like that, or I could bring it over here and do the same thing. But just for illustration purposes, I'm gonna leave it up here and maybe move this one over a little bit to kind of create a channel like so. Yep, something like that. Because this one it moved to the right and it came back to the downtrend pattern, so I'll kind of leave it like that. I'm just showing you the direction of the trend. So this doesn't have to be pretty and perfect. As long as I know what direction it's moving, that's what I'm looking at. So as you can see on the 5 minute chart, it looks a little bit different. It's more exploded. When you zoom out, you can see a broader picture of what's going on. So I'm gonna wait for at least 501. Probably looks like 504 will be the actual entry point. Like it's coming up now, it's at 486. So pretty much when you are trading, you can pretty much just, monitor one trade, master one pair, and that could be your favorite pair. You don't have to have 10, 15 pairs you trade on. One or two pairs that you trade on can be just as good. And you can sit there and, trade your 1 hour, take your five trades in that hour and capitalize on the market. Just by knowing how to mark up your chart, knowing how to understand the market, and really understanding how that one particular pair moves. EU, you can pretty much take calls and sales on EU throughout the day in the market. Okay, so right now it's at 486. I'm waiting for that 501 or higher. You can see here it was in consolidation and it had a breakout. I had a breakdown going down. Okay, so right here, like I said, during this period here, there's some consolidation going on here, meaning that it's moving sideways. Get that out of my way. I want to move this arrow. It's at 497. Don't want to miss the entry. I also do 4 minute trades. Waiting for 497. I'm sorry, 501 or higher. I said 497. Let's go. Come on, 501. Let's see if we're gonna get it. Go back to the analysis real quick. Right now it's at the it came to the 78618 zone. It previously came to the 705 zone. Make that a little bit bigger. So I wanted to come to at least 500. 501 is where I wanted that. Let's see if we even get that. It may be trying to fake us out at this 496 area. I'm going to be patient on this and wait for my entry. Sometimes I get in early, but today I'm going to be a little patient. It's Sunday, relaxed day. Wait for the market to come to me. I've already set my trap. So now I'm just waiting for the market to make its move. And I'm going to snipe in and take my entry. So I look at trading much more like hunting and or like target shooting. You're waiting for the prey to come into your zone. Use that crosshair. There's the alarm for you. Waiting for that target to come into your crosshair. Line up your rear sight, front sight post, and you execute on the trigger pull, slow and steady squeeze, and you got it. Same thing here. Waiting for the market to come to us after we've already done our analysis, our homework. Wait for that market to cross that line. Boom. Push the put button or the call button, depending on what trade you're doing. So it came to 497 and looks like it's leaving the building a little bit. So again, you can see it came to 497 on the broker. Let me see, trading view. It came to 499. So I may not get that 501 after all. Again, I'm trying to be patient. Didn't want to get in that early. So let's see if we get a little special service tonight. We'll see. Otherwise, I love the analysis, but sometimes the market does not give you an exact number. And in my particular instance, I wanted to be patient tonight and wait for that 501 or higher. Um, definitely feeling this trade though. So you can see it came right there. It came close to where I wanted to get in at. And it basically doing what I predicted, which is to basically drop down. Let's watch and see what it does. It's trying to come back up. Let's see if we get that 501 special. 496. Just waiting for a spike up, everybody. Then this gonna be a money trade. Right now we are in the zone, just waiting. Gotta be quiet. Can't move. Don't let your target know you're watching it. You just stand there, sitting or kneeling or laying in your position, and just waiting. Just 494. Let's see what it does here. We got about 4 minutes left in this candle. Well, actually, a new candle just opened up. So let's see what this new candle does. It's like in this 494, going up and down motion here. I would like to see it come to my level of strike so that I can take the trade. But again, we're gonna be patient. Down to 491. Let me go look at the analysis real quick. Okay, it opened up red. It might have left the building, you guys. They're going down that 480 level again. 486. Coming right back up after that 486. It likes to bounce off that 486. And again, I wanted it to come up to 501. 504 would be money, but anything above 500, I'll get in there. Be patient on this. I like the analysis. I like the trade. And again, let me just, since I was about to do this anyway, move this arrow right here. Just wanted to show the consolidation. So it's in consolidation all during this time. Boom. All doing here is consolidation. Then I had a breakdown right here. Okay, so right now I'm trying to eat on this retracement using the Fibonacci tool. I call it the Fib tool for short. Basically, you find your landing, which I need to bring that. You find your landing that you want to get in on, and you go to the lowest candle. So actually, I like the landing to be up there. And if I raise it up like that, I can see that the actual 618 zone is right here again at the 502, 503 area. So actually, my 498 wasn't a bad entry point to get in at after I made my adjustment on my fib, putting it on the actual higher high of the landing and then the lower low candle down here. And you can see that would have been a money entry had I got in there. This thing is gone to the dirt. So the analysis was on point. I just didn't get a chance to take the strike. But you can see that my homework was valid. The trade was valid. The trade was money. We could have definitely got the bag in and out with the bag, 1-0, bang, 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 you're done. But again, that's how you do EU. That's how you mark it up. That's how you set your trap, draw your trend line, your consolidation, mark your target on your plot it out, write it out on your chart, put out what you want to get in at, and take your trade. So with that being said, peace out, you guys. See you next time. Vaughn the Builder, I'm out.